Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. Today we will learn about how to create a logo for your YouTube channel. Let's see the making video of YouTube channel's logo.
Karekom.
First of all, you have to
Hello.
go to YouTube and see you need to upload a logo for your YouTube channel. In there is there, and this is the name of your YouTube channel. My name is my YouTube channel name is Tech Let's see how to create a beautiful logo for Tech First of all, you must have a designing software like Canva. I have this is my designing software Canva. Let's see. Now we will choose a format for our design, for our name, for our channel's Tech Tour names design. Let's see which one we should be chosen. Like if you choose this one, here you see look this is the logo of a beautiful structure. We will try to make it more beautiful for our logo. Like our channel is Tech Tour, so I think that will not so good for us. I will take another like if you take this one, no, this one. I think I got a new one. This one is better. I think this is looking good. Yes, this is looking good. I will do this one for my YouTube channel logo. First of all, we need to replace it. We need to replace this letter to our channel name, like this one. First of all, we will edit it. This one. Take two. We have to also duplicate it. This one and this one should be there. And but with this, we should this one make a beautiful structure. Let's see what's the structure we should given. And finally got this. We'll replace it. Then finally we did our logo for our YouTube channel, and this is the our YouTube channel logo, Tech Tour. I think that's good than any other thing. We created it our own skill. By our own skill, we did it our with our best. It's gone white. Not understanding, bro. Why it's white? It should be black. Tector, okay. Tector is okay. Everything is okay. Why? Should download this like that. Maybe this time we will get the real picture. The previous time we got a undoubtedly we got a wrong picture. Now we'll got the original picture for our Tector. Now this is good, I think. And publish. Now let's, and finally we did it. Hopefully this video will helpful for you to using a Canva for your YouTube channel logo. Such a beautiful logo. We did it. In next video we will see you again with a new video, with a new tech, and with a new something. Bye.